Ever wondered if you're truly getting the best bang for your buck when it comes to your investments? Are you leaving money on the table with hidden fees, limited options, or a clunky user experience? In today's fast-paced financial world, choosing the right investment platform can make all the difference. It's not just about finding a place to buy stocks, it's about finding a partner that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment style. We live in an age of unprecedented access to financial markets. Gone are the days when investing was reserved for the elite with massive portfolios and direct lines to stockbrokers. Now, with a few taps on your smartphone, you can be in the market, buying fractional shares of your favorite companies, exploring diverse ETFs, and even diving into the world of cryptocurrency. This democratization of investing is largely thanks to platforms like Wealthsimple Trade and Robinhood, which burst onto the scene promising commission-free trading and user-friendly interfaces. They disrupted the traditional brokerage model, forcing established players to adapt or risk becoming obsolete. But with disruption comes choice, and with choice comes the inevitable question, which one is truly the best? Today, we're taking a deep dive into two of the biggest names in the commission-free trading space, Wealthsimple Trade and Robinhood. We're going to compare them head-to-head, dissecting their features, fees, account types, user experience, and more. Our goal is to equip you with all the information you need to make an informed decision about which platform is the perfect fit for your investment journey. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for a new home for your portfolio or a complete beginner just starting out, this breakdown will give you clarity. First, let's address the elephant in the room, accessibility. This is a crucial starting point because it dictates whether either of these platforms is even an option for you. Wealthsimple Trade, as its name might subtly suggest, is primarily focused on the Canadian market. To open a Wealthsimple account, you generally need to be a resident of Canada. While they previously had a presence in the U.S., they sold their U.S. operations in 2021 to focus exclusively on their Canadian user base. So, if you're based in the United States, Wealthsimple Trade, in its current form, won't be your go-to. Robinhood, on the other hand, has historically been a U.S.-centric platform, gaining massive popularity there. However, here's where things get interesting for our Canadian friends. Robinhood is actively expanding into Canada. As of May 2025, Robinhood officially announced its entry into the Canadian market through the acquisition of WonderFi Technologies, a well-known Canadian crypto firm. This means that while their initial focus in Canada will likely be on crypto, it paves the way for their full suite of offerings, including stocks and ETFs, to eventually become available north of the border. This is a significant development that changes the competitive landscape entirely. So, for the purpose of this comparison, we'll assume a future where both platforms are widely accessible in their respective primary markets, with Robinhood's Canadian expansion being a key consideration. Now, let's talk about the bread and butter, investment offerings. What can you actually buy and sell on these platforms? Wealthsimple Trade offers a solid range of investment options for Canadian investors. You can trade thousands of Canadian and U.S. stocks and ETFs commission-free. They also support options trading and have a growing cryptocurrency offering. A big plus for Wealthsimple Trade is their USD account feature, which allows you to hold US dollars in your RRSP, TFSA, or personal account. This is a huge advantage for those looking to invest in U.S. stocks, as it can help you avoid multiple currency conversion fees. They also offer fractional trading, which means you can buy a piece of a share, even if you can't afford the full share price. This is fantastic for diversifying your portfolio with high-value stocks without needing a huge upfront investment. Robinhood, in the U.S., offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. They are well known for their robust cryptocurrency trading, offering access to more cryptocurrencies than many traditional stock trading apps. Robinhood also provides access to American Depository Receipts, ADRs, for over 650 global companies, allowing you to invest in international businesses. A notable feature of Robinhood is their 24-hour market, which allows trading of certain selected stocks between Sunday 8 p.m. Eastern Time and Friday 8 p.m. Eastern Time, offering more flexibility outside of traditional market hours. They also support fractional shares, similar to Wealthsimple. For their Canadian expansion, as mentioned, the initial focus is on crypto via the WonderFi acquisition, with broader stock and ETF trading likely to follow. Next up, let's talk about the thing everyone loves, fees. Commission-free trading is the headline, but what about the fine print? Wealthsimple Trade prides itself on its low fee structure. For Canadian and U.S. stock and ETF trades, they charge $0 commission. Where you might encounter fees is with currency conversion. If you're trading U.S. stocks from a CAD account, there's a 1.5% currency conversion fee. However, if you opt for the USD account, you can avoid this fee when trading U.S. stocks, only incurring a conversion fee when you convert CAD to USD or vice versa. Options trading fees are $2 per contract for core clients, which can be lower for premium or generation clients. For cryptocurrency transactions, they charge a 1.5 to 2% fee. Wealthsimple also has premium tiers, premium and generation, that offer lower options trading fees, reduced FX fees, and other benefits if you hold higher asset values with them. Robinhood also champions commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options in the U.S. They generally don't charge account maintenance or inactivity fees. However, there are some regulatory fees that are passed on, such as small trading activity fees on sell orders. For options, while commission-free, there can be very small regulatory and exchange fees. Robinhood does not charge foreign exchange fees directly, but there can be implicit third-party costs on deposits and withdrawals in different currencies. Robinhood Gold, their premium subscription service at $5 a month, offers benefits like a higher interest rate on uninvested cash, access to professional research, and lower margin rates. They also offer a 1% match on IRA contributions, which can be boosted to 3% for Gold members, a significant perk for retirement savers. Now, let's move on to the user experience and platform. A beautiful interface won't make you a millionaire, but a clunky one can certainly make you pull your hair out. Wealthsimple Trade is consistently praised for its clean, intuitive, and easy-to-use mobile app. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it very approachable for new investors. The web platform also offers a streamlined experience. While it provides basic performance information, more advanced analytical tools and in-depth research might be lacking for seasoned traders who crave detailed charting and market data. However, for everyday investing and managing a diversified portfolio, it's highly efficient. They also offer instant deposits, allowing you to start trading quickly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.